AWS, be it the EACC and other government agencies. So with the authority bestowed on the Office of the Director of Public...
I have been given instructions by Sheria Mtaani to take that matter to court, not to sue the newspaper, but to sue the weakest link to the fight against corruption in this country, being the Office of the EACC. One, before 2010, before the 27th of August 2010, the office of the ODPP was a branch under the Office of the Attorney General. The police were the prosecutors. Kenyans spoke loudly, completely, and said a prosecutor cannot be an investigator. And Kenyans created the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions under Article 157, which gives the officer sitting there a constitutional tenure of 8 years. That office was clothed with clear instructions that nobody can direct the Office of the Director of Public Prosecution on what to do in terms of prosecuting and approving charges. The Office of the Director of Public Prosecution developed guidelines to look at the threshold, the evidence that is being brought by investigators. Does that evidence satisfy the threshold for a conviction in court? Out of this, very many files that are being presented to the Office of the Director of Public Prosecution have been rejected because they don't meet those standards. The Office of the Director of Public Prosecution approves charges, all of them, the whole country. The DCI sends almost 94% of all the files. The DPP looks at are files coming from the DCI, the whole country. The General Police, that is the OCS, the JDs, General Duties, account for around 5% of those that come. KRA, KWS, and other investigative agencies